Hello children, class 6 maths chapter 3 children. This is chapter 3 part 2. I have uploaded part 1 children last video. Please watch last video, complete video, then come to this video children. This is part 2. Okay children. What is the name of the chapter? Playing with numbers. Okay. In this chapter I have discussed the divisibility rule. In chapter 3 part 1 I have uploaded video that is divisibility rules of numbers. Okay children, like 2, 3, 5, 6, 9 we have studied, and test of divisibilities 9, 10. Now we are going to learn the concept of factors. Okay children, concept of factors I am going to explain you. Okay, what is mean by factor children? You have to know what is a factor. First of all, what is the concept of factors? Okay, factor is nothing but what children? A number which divides the other numbers, that number is called a factor. Factor means what children? See here, if you know the factor properly, then you do the problems easily children. Okay, first you have to know what is meant by factor. Okay, what is mean by factor means a number which divides the other number, okay, is called a factor of the given number. If a number is completely divisible by its factors, every number is divisible by any number, that is, it is completely divisible by its factors. Okay children, a number is divisible by other numbers, that numbers are called factors children. For example, I will show how we will find factors of a number, then you will easily understand what is mean by factor. Okay children, then you can do many problems based on factors. Okay, in your exercise problems you have so many problems, please do practice your problems. Here I will show some of the examples children. Let us find the factors of 6 number. Okay, how you will say what are the factors of 6? How you will find children? Here see, we have 6 is divisible by 1. 1 6 are 6. Okay, and another is 2 is divide 6. 6 is divisible by 2, where 2 3s are 6. Again 2 completed. In 3 it is coming or not? See, 3 dividing 6 or not? Yes, 3 is dividing 6. How? 3 2s are 6. Again 4, check 4 it's coming 6? No, in table 4 we can't see 6. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, directly 8 is coming, so 4 is not a factor. 5 is a factor, check 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, directly 10 is coming, so 5 is not a factor of 6. 5 is not dividing 6. Okay, which divides a number, that is a factor. Okay, 6. Now 5 4 are not factors. 6, check 6 is means 6 is itself is a factor. 6 1s are 6. So factors of 6 are 1 comma 6, here 2 comma 3, here 3 comma 2, here 6 comma 1. Totally we have how many factors of 6? 1 2 3 6. This is common here, this is common, this is common, this is 1 2 3 here, 4 and 5 is not there, and 6 here. 1 is always the factor of every number. 1 is the smallest factor of every number. So we always write 1 is factor of every number. And next number is 2 and 3 divides 6. 6 is itself as a factor. Okay. So factors of 6 we write it as factors of 6 is are what are they? 1 2 3 and 6. These are the factors, finding of factors. Okay, understood children? How we will find factors? A number which divides a number other number, then that number is called a factor. Here 1 divides 6, 2 divides 6, 3 divides 6, and 6 itself is the factor. Okay, like this we have to do find factors of a given number. Next, second example, find factors of 19 children. Here 19 is where 19 is coming in which table, in which number, and which number divides 19 children, you have to check. Okay, first 1 is a factor, 1 into 19 is a 19. Next 2 divides 19, no. 3 divides, no. 4 divides, no. Like this you have to check up to 19. Okay, in 18 also it is not coming. In which table 19 is coming? No table is there with 19. Okay, no number divides 19 children. So 1 only divides 19 and 19 ones are 19. So here factors are 119 here, 19 comma 1. So common factors these are 1 comma 19. So 1 is a factor. Here also 1 is a factor. Every number 1 is a factor for every number. So 19 here itself is a factor. So what are the factors of 19 children? Numbers which divide 19 are 1 and itself. Okay, 19 itself is a factor and 1. Okay, only 1 19 are factors of 19. For factor 6, 1 2 3 6 are factors. Okay, like this we have to find children. Another example is 20 children. Find out children. Tell me the what are factors of 20 children. Let us take example 20. 1 is a factor, 1 20s are 20, 2 is a factor, 2 10s are 20. In 3 it is not coming. Okay, 4 5s are, yes 4 is coming, 4 5s are 20, 5 is coming, 5 4s are 20. 6 table in 6 divides 20 is 6 divides 20, no 6 is not coming, 6 not divide 20. Okay, and next is 7 also not dividing. 8 children, 8 also not dividing. Check 9 also not dividing 20. 10 children, 10 dividing, 10 twos are 20. Okay, and 11 also not dividing, 12 also not dividing, 13 also. You have to go up to 1 to 20 numbers, you have to check the factors. Okay, 14 also not dividing. In 15 also not dividing, 16 not dividing, 17 children, 17 also not dividing, 18 also not dividing, 19 also not dividing. 20 itself is a factor. Now last finally 20 is the factor itself. So what are the factors of 20 children? Factors of 20 is equal to 1 2 4 5 10 20 itself. These are the 6 factors of 20. Like this we have to check which factor is there. Okay, which number divides the given number. Okay, find out this children. For 12, find out 12 how many factors are there. This is the homework for you children. Find out now itself you have to do it. Okay, it's very easy. Now important points for factors children. What we have to remember while doing problems to find factors, that is, we have to remember one is a smallest factor for every number, smallest factor of every number. This we have to remember, every number. Okay, second point, and one is the smallest factor. This is we have to remember, one is a factor of every number and one is the smallest factor of every number. And second point is every number is factor of itself, factor of, see children, factor of itself means every number is a factor. Here see, 20 is itself is a factor, 12 also itself is a factor. Okay, we have to remember like this, every factor of a number is less than or equal to, every factor is of a number, given number, is it is less than or equal to, this factor is less than 20 and 20 is equal to 20. Some numbers are less than 20 and 20 is also equal to 20. So what it is saying children, every factor of a number is less than or it should be equal to the given number. Okay, like this we have to remember. Number of factors of a number are countable. We can count how many factors are there for 20, like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 factors. They are countable factors are there. They are countable factors, not uncountable. We cannot have uncountable factors. We can count. Okay, limited number of factors we can find for given number children. Okay, next, find the factors of 80 children. This is also homework for you. Okay, you have answer is 1 2 4 5 8 10 16, next 20. Check whether it is right or not children. Okay, you are getting same answer or not, check. Next concept is prime and composite numbers. Simple concept, this is prime and composite numbers. What are prime numbers and what are composite numbers? If you know these prime numbers and composite numbers, you can find easily co-prime, twin primes and prime factorization. In next video, part 3 of this chapter, I will show the twin primes, co-prime topic and prime factorization. Important topic is prime factorization children. And next is factor tree method, HCF, highest common factor and least common multiple. In next video, I will complete the topics of chapter 3 children. Let us see what are prime numbers. Numbers having, number simple children, you have to remember this pointer. Numbers having factors only 1 and itself. The number which having 1 and itself is a factor, that numbers are called prime numbers. For example, see here I will show by example, you can easily understand what are prime numbers. 1 is a factor of itself, 1 and itself is a factor. 2 is a 1 is a factor and 2 ones are 2, 1 and 2, only 1 is a factor here and 2, so 1 and 2 are only 2 factors. And next take 3. Here 3 has 1 and 3 itself. 5, 1 and 5 itself. Like this we have so many numbers, prime numbers. 1 and 7 itself is a factor. So these are prime numbers 1, 2, 3, which cannot come in other table. Okay children, we cannot divide these numbers with other numbers, okay, by other numbers. So these are the factors of itself only, and 1 is the factor of every number. What is composite? Composite number children? Numbers having more than two factors. More than two factors is called composite numbers. Composite number. There are example I will show here. Let us take 1 is a prime, 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime, 4 is a composite because it has 1, 2 and 3 not divides 4. 4 itself is a factor. More than 2 means 3 are there. Factors are 3. And next 5. 5 is no prime number. 6 is there. Let us take 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 is not a factor. 5 is also not a factor. 6 itself. Here 4. 4 factors. So more than 2 factors. 4 is a composite number. 6 is composite. More than 2 factors means other than these prime numbers we can say 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14. Like this we have so many numbers, composite numbers. So these are 1 and itself is a factor is called prime, and having more than 2 factors the number is called composite number. So in this video I am stopping here only children. Watch complete video of chapter 3 children, part 2. This is part 2. Next video I will show prime factorization, okay, HCF, LCM, factor tree. I will upload in next part 3 children, okay. So like, share and subscribe my video children, please. Watch complete video, otherwise you can't understand the topic what I am going to explain you, okay children. Thank you, bye bye.